In every Igbo home, there is a hand you use and a hand you never use. Use the wrong one and the room goes quiet. Not angry quiet. Worse. Disappointed quiet. Today we learn the word that lives in the right hand and what it costs when you forget it. Ndewo no. Welcome to the final episode of our first week together. I am Yvonne Mbanefu and this is Igbo Daily Drops. All week, you've been building the language of politeness, greetings, requests, the words that carry weight. Today, we close with the one that holds them all. Biko, not please, something deeper. Ka anyị bido, let us start together. Today's guiding proverb is aka nri kwọọ aka ekpe, aka ekpe akwọ aka nri. Aka nri kwọọ aka ekpe, aka ekpe akwọ aka nri. The right hand washes the left and the left hand washes the right. One hand cannot wash itself. That is the whole philosophy in 7 words. Many of us learn this the hard way. You reach for something with your left hand at your auntie's table, and the whole room stops eating. By the end of today, you will be able to ask for help politely in Igbo. Express deep gratitude. Excuse yourself with cultural awareness. 3 sentences, 3 acts of connection. Nairobi, Kenya, 2022. Chidimma is 29. Born in Owerri. Married to Kamau, a Kikuyu software engineer she met at a fintech conference in Lagos. They live in Karen, a quiet suburb southwest of Nairobi's center, where bougainvillea climbs every wall and the red earth reminds her, just slightly, of home. Tonight, Kamau's mother is visiting from Nyere. First time in their home. Chidimma has cooked. Ofe nsala. White soup with catfish. Because it is what her own mother made when honoring a guest. She carries the plate with both hands, the way her grandmother taught her. She sets it down. Kamau's mother looks at the food, then at Chidimma's hands, then at her son. She speaks in Kikuyu. Chidimma does not understand the words, but she understands the silence that follows. Later that night, Kamau explains his mother was moved, not offended. In Kikuyu culture, offering food with both hands carries the same weight. But there is one thing Chidimma could not translate. The word she whispered as she set the plate down. Biko. She said it so quietly even Kamau did not hear, but Chidimma heard it. And in that kitchen in Karen, 3,000 kilometers from Owerri, the word still tasted the way her grandmother said it. That whisper has a name in the scholarship. Ogbonnaya Nwoye, writing in his 1992 paper, linguistic politeness and socio-cultural variations of the notion of face, found what most Western linguists had missed, that politeness in Igbo culture operates on completely different principles. In Western frameworks, making a request threatens the other person's freedom. But Nwoye found that in Igbo society, requesting is a social right, a communal expectation. To ask is to say, you and I belong to each other. Biko is not the English please dressed in Igbo clothing. It says, I trust you enough to ask. So let's put this into words. Here are today's 3 sentences. Number 1. Biko nyere aka. Please help me. Biko nyere aka. Please help me. Your turn. Biko nyere aka. Biko nyere aka. You can use this when you need assistance from a stranger at a market, a colleague at work, a family member at home. Number 2. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. Daalụ is thank you. Rinne is very much. Daalụ rinne. Your turn. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. You can use this after someone has helped you, given you something, or shown you kindness. This is how you close the circle that Biko opened. And finally, the one that ties it all together. Number 3. Biko ewena gị. Biko ewena gị. Please excuse me, or pardon, or don't be angry. So you use this when you want to say excuse me to someone, or when you have interrupted, when you need to pass, when you have caused a small inconvenience. You say Biko ewena gị. Biko ewena gị. Your turn. Biko ewena gị. Biko ewena gị. So this sentence does not assume you have done something wrong. It assumes you care enough about the other person's peace to protect it. Food for thought. Traditionally, the right hand symbolizes honor in public exchange. If you are left-handed, this is not a judgment of your worth. It's a cultural symbol tied to etiquette, not ability. And in practice, when the right hand is not available, you do what Igbo people have always done. You excuse yourself and apologize in advance. Biko ewena gị. Apologize in advance for using your left hand to give somebody something or a handshake. This weekend, when you reach for something, a cup, a door, your child's hand, notice which hand you use. And if the word Biko crosses your mind, let it stay. Ka izu a gwụchaa n'udo. May this week end in peace. Download your free practice workbook at learnigbonow.com. Every sentence you have learned this week is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Mbanefo. Rest this weekend and come back on Monday. We are just getting started.